In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge QuickBooks accounts 2026. If you've got duplicate accounts cluttering your books, merging them is the cleanest way to move all transactions into a single account and keep your chart of accounts organized. A quick heads up before we begin, merging is permanent. Once two accounts are merged, the one you don't keep is removed and its history is folded into the account you keep, and there's no undo. It's best to have admin access and make sure you're working in the right company file before you proceed. Start by opening QuickBooks. From there, go to Settings and choose Chart of Accounts. This is your full list of accounts and it's where the merge will happen. If you have a lot of accounts, use the search box or filters to quickly narrow down what you're looking for. Find the two accounts you want to merge. Confirm they truly represent the same thing, like two checking accounts for the same bank or two duplicate expense accounts for the same vendor category. Take a moment to look at their account type and detail type. QuickBooks can only merge accounts that share the same type, and they need to be aligned in other key fields to complete the merge successfully. Now, decide which account you want to keep. Pick the one with the most accurate name and details, any connected bank feed, consistent reconciliations, and any reports or budgets you rely on. It's usually best to keep the account that's already referenced in your rules. Memorize transactions or integrations so you don't break connections. Next, rename the other account so it exactly matches the one you're keeping. Open the account you're not keeping, click to edit, and change its name to be identical to the keep account. If you use account numbers, make those match too. Ensure the account type and detail type are the same, and if currency or sub-account structure applies in your setup, make sure those align as well. The key is that both accounts are identical in the fields QuickBooks uses to determine a merge. Click Save to apply the changes. QuickBooks will detect the duplicate name and prompt you to confirm the merge. Accept the prompt, and QuickBooks will move all transactions and balances from the renamed account into the account you chose to keep. When it's done, the old account will disappear from the list. Take a quick look at your chart of accounts and recent reports to confirm everything looks right and you're all set.